Honda Accord, '04 Honda Accord ignition switch. Figured I'd show y'all this John since it's so easy. Everybody done did it already. Got a few bolts down here. Another bolt up here. Apparently there's more bolts. This shit don't want to come out. Technical difficulties. I'll be back. I'm doing this with the AC on because it's so hot. Like, it's hot. So hot. Got my face all where his feet is at. I mean, we like working on cars, but we don't like doing all this shit all the time. We don't like getting dirty like that. Smelling feet, cats and dogs all in the car. Shit. Nobody likes doing that shit. Oh my God. It's always the littlest shit that take the longest to do. It's always like that. Oh, I got her. Damn bolt. I think that's the last one. Oh, we got another one in there. Oh, look like I broke it, don't it? Probably did. Got another bolt up under here. I'll be back. I'm back. Alrighty, guys, we're getting somewhere. Guess it's time to turn off the car now, huh? I don't know if this thing gotta come all the way out or not. Maybe I should have watched the video. Turn on YouTube. Oh, it's funny. Okay, I see one screw there. See, I'm gonna have to come from the bottom, so I have to take this out. What do you know? There it is. You guys like, this kid is weird. So I'm gonna show you. I can't flip this phone around while I'm fucking. So here's the switch here. I don't know if you can see that. Here's the switch right here. That's the switch. Got a screw here and I got a screw under here, I believe. I didn't get the new one yet. Still waiting for it, but let's bust that thing off real quick. Ignition switch. I think my screwdriver's too long. I'll be back.
Because you got to take the headers off.
The headers?
Come here, look, I'm going to show you how.
Hold on, give me 1 second. I'll be over there though. That's how Porsche is. All those foreign cars is like that. He doing the exhaust on the Porsche. You know what I mean? We get exotics in here. We get exotics. Oh, shit, let me pop this out. Pop out. Okay. There's a connector right there. Just the connector. Just pop it out. Oh man, it's so easy, but it's so hot. Let me see. And there it is. Ignition switch. 5-minute job. Took me more than 10 minutes. Hey, you win some, you lose some. Ralphie! You got Ralph doing the exhaust on a Porsche 911, top of the line. Top of the line exhaust technician right here. See that bracket? I got this going backwards. Where? See this bracket? See that bracket that comes all the way through here? Mm-hmm. You got to take this off. The manifold. The headers. Headers, manifold, whatever. See this bolt? You can't get that off? You can't get that off. Why not? Because it won't reach it. It's right under it. Shit just got technical. We out. All right, guys, we back. Got the new part. Looks just like the old one. Let's put it in. It's in there. Let's put these screws up in there. Shit, I don't even remember where the screws go. Oh man, I'm the worst. Who says YouTube videos gotta be perfect? Who said that? Ain't me. I didn't say it. Oh man. Let's take this hat off. Snap the wire in there. Right there. Right here. Snap them in there. He snapped in there. Nice and tight. Let me tighten his bolt up. So now we gotta put this piece back in here. Well, first, let's see if the car starts. Started right up. I'm right back in the nice cold air. Here's the deal. I'm not the best. I don't do videos like that, but I want to do videos. I'm trying to do videos, but it seems like I never got time to do a video because I'm always trying to just get shit done. But I appreciate the guys that do all these videos and do all that editing and stuff. That stuff ain't easy. It's not easy. I mean, I don't know how they do it. Especially when it's hot like this. How do you put this shit on? Got him in there. Had to wrestle him in there, man. He was fighting me, man. You know what? I think this is the first video I made with my face in it. Now you guys get to know who I am. Ooh, that's scary, ain't it? I don't like stuff like this. All that tedious shit. I don't like it. I did a radiator on a Volvo earlier. That shit kicked my ass. I hate little tedious stuff like that. I hate screws all up inside of places you can't reach and fit tools. I hate that shit. Let's put these screws back. I don't know if this is a how-to video or just a conversation. Whoever invented these screws are some dumbasses. They don't even fit in there right. Oh man. Oh shit. All right, we're gonna do a final start on this Honda real quick. Starts up. Yeah, it has the had the famous, you know, Honda no start, intermittent no start. So usually on these cars it's the starter or the ignition switch. I remember one time I changed the starter like 3 or 4 times within one day on one of these Honda Accords, and that was the one with the 2.4 liter where you had to remove the manifold to get the starter out. So yeah, these things are usually known for those 2 issues on this model year. I think it's like 03 to 2011, I believe. So yeah, that's what it is. Gotta go. You guys seen enough of my face. Later.